So go over here, find the chat box, which is in, let's see here, all widgets. And then these are the main ones, really. The event list, alert box, and chat box are what you want. So I'm going to click on chat box. And again, here's some of the pre-selected themed ones you can use. Various other settings about how they pop up. Let's do box, see what that looks like. So there's boxed. Then old school. They kind of generally look the same a lot of the time. But let's just go with Twitch. And then scroll down. We're going to decrease the font size. We'll leave them at 22 pixels actually. And then hide message after, we'll say 20 seconds. Chat delay. We're not going to put a delay on it just yet. This is if you want to be able to filter the content that's coming in. There's also chatbot mods and stuff like that that can help you filter that. And of course, like I was saying, this is all HTML, so you can edit and control how these things are displayed. But that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and copy that again. Save settings to make sure the few things I changed are saved. Navigate back to OBS. And then we're going to add another browser. Whoops, not that. We'll just call it chat. And then put that in there. And then let's set the actual width this time. So I want it to be about this wide. So let's say 140. And the height is going to be, let's see here, the screen is 1920 by 1080. So let's go with 1080 minus 500. So we'll do 580. So there we go. It's a little on the thin side. So let's make it bigger. Let's go back to chat. And let's put it to, I think we could double it. We could put it to 260, like that. And there we go. So chat is now available on the sidebar here, okay? Now the other thing that I'm going to add is go down and click on video capture device. And I'm going to call it the Webcam. Okay, and then I'm going to go out and I'm going to pick my device. So I'm going to actually pick the FaceTime camera. Then I'll use buffering. I'm going to decrease this so that it actually works a little bit better. Doesn't cause problems. It might freeze up. Like you saw it freeze up and now it's not froze up. And if I do my green screen the right way, like this, we now have chat, we have me. And in this, right click, go to filters, go down to effect filters, add Chroma Key, and we're going to get rid of my green screen here. Ta-da! So this changes various settings. You can kind of bump it up a little bit. Looks like the brightness is a bit strong there. That looks like it might work. So there we go. So now here's me, just like that. And then, as always, we can pop in, pop out. Now, if I bring up Streamlabs, and we pop it over here like this. Let's remove this. Now watch here, okay? Let's say we want to do the alert box and I want to test a follow. Boom, that's what it's gonna look like on screen. Same thing with test subscription, test results, see here, test raid. Somebody's raiding with 1,000 new followers or attendees, whatever. All right, so that's a way you can test that. And the way you test chat is you actually go into your channel. This is kind of a little weird. And you go to your channel, then let's go to your dashboard. And in your dashboard, go to your stream manager. And then in the chat here, you can say test message. I'm saying this in chat. Boom. Now, if we go back over here, you'll see, boom, it's popped in right there. So you notice it went very much multi-line. So we need to change the font or do whatever we need to make this actually look the way we want it to. I think the best thing to do would probably be to change the resolution on it, even though that'll make it a little bit less readable. But let's do that. All widgets, chat box. Let me scroll down. And we're going to reduce the size of this to, let's go to 16 pixels. And save. Go back over here. Let's get into chat. And let's actually bring this up and increase the width by another 20 pixels. So we'll go with 280. There we go. All right. Now let's get a test dialog in there. We'll just say another test. And if anybody is actually on your site, those will show up as they type it, even if you're not streaming. So there's another test. That looks pretty good. We're going to leave it at that and continue onward. But that's enough to get you started so that you actually have good interaction with your stream via these various browser add-ins, making sure that you have your scenes and your transitions set up right, and you're ready to go. So hope this was quick, easy, and useful in setting up your streams. Happy twitching. Cheers.